Hi, my dear wonderful students. So, today let us start the class of your second unit, fifth topic. Okay? In the last class, we studied about the plants that are healthy for us. And today we are going to study the drinks from nature. What are the drinks that we get from nature? So, as you can see on the screen here, drinks from nature. Okay, it is the fifth unit. And drinks from nature particularly refers to plants. Okay, particularly refers to plants. Particularly it refers to plants, leaves, stem, flowers. Okay, so let us start the session, my dear children. Here are some drinks available from nature. Identify and write their names in the space provided below. Yes, here are some beautiful, wonderful, very spicy and very ethnic taste drink available for from nature to us. We have to identify. They have given the clue. What they have given, children? They have given the clue. So we have to identify them and write their names in the space provided below. So let us start the class. Yes, first one. It is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It is made with leaves of plant. It is sweet smelling drink containing essential oils and caffeine, a substance that acts as a mild stimulant. Yes, it is one of the most popular drink in the world. We drink every day. Yes, it is made with leaves of plant. It is made with the leaves, the small leaves of the plant. It is a sweet smelling drink. It is a very sweet smelling drink. Yes, its smell refreshes our mind. Containing essential oils. It has some oils and caffeine. Caffeine is a product. Okay, a substance that act as a mild stimulant. Stimulant means it makes our mind refresh. Okay, so the answer for this is in the picture. You can see here it is a tea. What is it, my dear children? Tea. Yes, tea is made of leaf. Tea is made of leaves. And even the olden days, in the olden days, the kings, queens and the people, they used directly use leaves in the water to drink. Okay, so tea is the first answer. Okay, my dear children, tea is the first answer. Now coming to the second one. It contains caffeine, trigonelin, chlorogenic acids, amino acids, carbohydrates, and minerals. Unless sugar, milk, or cream is added, it is low in calories. Yes, it contains a caffeine. Caffeine is an material or a stimulant used in all type of drinks. Okay, my dear students. So it also contains trigonelin, chlorogenic acids, amino acids, carbohydrates, and minerals. Okay, unless we are adding sugar, milk, and cream to it, it is having 0 calories. It is low in calories. So which is the drink? You can see on the image here. Yes, it is a coffee bean. What is it? A coffee bean. Okay, my dear students. So the second answer is coffee. It is coffee. Next, coming to the third one. It is made from the lime. Lime is nothing but lemon, a citrus fruit that is native to Southeast Asia and cultivated chiefly in the tropical regions. This juice is a good source of vitamin C. We all know that lemon is good in vitamin C, and the drink made from lime or lemon is called as lemon juice, as you can see on the picture. Yes, so our third answer is lemon juice, which is very rich in vitamin C, and it is cultivated in tropical regions. Tropical regions means highly dense region where high forests will be there, and it is very famous in Southeast Asian countries. Okay, my dear students. Fourth one, a very refreshing sweet fluid within the kernel of the fruit. It contains vitamin C and vitamins of the B group. It is also rich in potassium. Yes. What is it? See in the figure, you can see here a very good fruit. We are very familiar with the fruit. It is nothing but the coconut. Yes, it is a very refreshing drink. In the summer, we have it regularly, and it is very good to boost up your energy when your energy is completely low. So, it is a very refreshing sweet fluid within the kernel, within the fruit. Okay, it contains vitamin C as well as vitamins of B group, vitamin B also. It is also rich in potassium. Yes, why do we take this? When we are ill, when we are sick, yes, it is rich in potassium. It gives us strength, it gives us energy, it gives glucose to our body. So, fourth answer is coconut water. Okay, my dear students? Yes. Coming to the fifth one, it is made from the seeds of the cocoa tree, which are ground to make cocoa powder. The drink is prepared by mixing the powder with the hot milk or water. Cocoa contains 20% of protein, 40% of carbohydrates, and 40% of fat. It is also mildly stimulating due to the presence of theobromine. Theobromine, a substance similar to caffeine. Yes, in all the drinks we will be having the caffeine. We all know that it is completely made of seeds of cocoa tree. Yes, cocoa is nothing but a coffee. Okay, a dark coffee, what we will say, which is ground and make cocoa powder, which is ground. It has been grind in the mixer and it is transferred as powder. This drink is prepared by mixing hot milk into it and or some water. We can use, those who don't like milk, they use water for it. Okay, it contains of 20% of protein, 40% of carbohydrates, and 40% of fat in it. That complete cocoa powder will contain 20% of protein, 40% of carbohydrates, and 40% of fat in it, and it is mildly stimulating due to the presence of theobromine. Theobromine is a type of drug, okay, which will purify or which will affect our brain muscles, okay, brain vessels, okay, a substance that is similar to caffeine. Okay, whatever coffee, tea, whenever we will feel boring or whenever we will feel sleepy, we will drink at that time, right? It boosting up our brain vessels. Okay, my dear children, so what is the fifth answer? It is hot chocolate. Okay, the hot chocolate beans or cocoa beans are grounded to make a powder. Yes, it is mixed with milk or with the water. Okay, my dear students, it is the hot chocolate. It is also a kind of very sweet drink. Next, you can see the hot chocolate in the figure. Yes, this is the hot chocolate. Okay, it is drunk hot itself, so the name itself is hot chocolate. Okay, next coming to the sixth point, these can be made from the most fruits, many vegetables like carrots, carbohydrates are the main nutritional minerals in fruits. Most fruits contain large quantities of vitamin A and B. This is a kind of drink. It can be made by any fruit, any vegetable. Okay, most of the fruits and most of the vegetables. Okay, like carrot, they have given just a carrot, mango, apple, yes, cucumber. Okay, any kind of drink we can prepare. It contains or it is rich in carbohydrates, okay, which is badly needed for the growing children's. Okay, and have main nutritional minerals in fruit. Carbohydrates are the major nutritions of food, fruits and even veggies. Okay, most fruits contains large quantity of vitamin A and B. Most of the fruits, most of the veggies will be having vitamin A and vitamin B in the maximum amount along with the carbohydrates. So the answer is juices, any type of juice, any juice which are ready to drink. Okay, my dear students, what is the sixth answer? Juice. Okay, so let us once revise the answers. Yes, first one is tea. It is one of the most popular drinks in the world. It is made with leaves of the plant. It is a sweet smelling drink containing essential oils and caffeine, a substance that acts like a mild stimulant. Okay, that is tea. So, second one, it contains a caffeine, trignoline, chlorogenic acids, amino acids, carbohydrates, and minerals. Unless sugar, milk, and any other fatty item is not added to it. Okay, it is low in calories. That is coffee. Okay, coffee bean or coffee. Third one, it is made from the lime or lemon, a citrus fruit that is native to Southeast Asia and cultivated chiefly in the tropical region. The juice is good source of vitamin C. Yes, so that is lemon juice or lime juice. Okay. Fourth one, a very refreshing sweet fluid within the kernel of the fruit. It contains vitamin C and vitamin of B group. It is also rich in potassium. Which is the drink here? The drink is coconut water. Okay. Fifth one, it is made from the seeds of the cocoa tree which are ground to make cocoa powder. The drink is prepared by mixing the powder with the hot milk or water. Cocoa contains 20% of protein, 40% of carbohydrates and 40% of fat. Okay, it is mildly stimulating due to the presence of theobromine, a substance similar to the caffeine. Okay, it is a hot chocolate. Next, coming to the last point, these can be made from most of the fruits, veggies like carrots. Carbohydrates are the main nutritional minerals in fruits. Most fruits contain large quantities of vitamin A and B. So the answer of this is juice. So what you have to do, my dear children? Fill up all the blanks, and if any doubts, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you.